Imagine this. You are traveling to a new city, you open a cab app, enter your destination, and within a seconds, ride is booked. No confusion, no frustration, everything just works. This smooth experience didn't happen by accident. It was designed. That invisible feeling when things feels easy, clear and human is called a user experience. And if you are wondering how you can become a UX designer in 2026, this video is for you. Hello everyone, I am Pavani Priya Sajja, UX designer and mentor. Through my channel, I am sharing my design skills with future UX designers. In this video, I want to share a simple and realistic roadmap on how to become a UX designer in 2026. We are living in an era of AI. Every day, new tools and learning resources are emerging. Information is everywhere and it's more accessible than even before. Because of AI, learning UX design today is faster, easier, and more practical than it was even 5 years ago. With the right planning, focused practice, and smart use of AI tools, you can learn UX design in 3 months and be ready to apply for jobs. Let me walk you through this step by step. Step 1. Learn the fundamentals. Before anything else, always start with fundamentals. You need to understand the basics. Fundamentals are the foundation of any skills and UX design is no different. When you learn UX fundamentals, you are cover key concepts, methods, processes, and how to apply them in real projects. This knowledge helps you understand how UX design works in the real world. I have been made a separate video on UX fundamentals and I provided this link in the description. Now, I'm going to share my list of resources that I always refer to while working on my projects. I hope this will help you as well. So the first my resource is Google UX Design Professional Certification from Coursera. The Google UX Design Professional Certificate is a beginner level 8-course program on Coursera that prepares learners for entry-level UX designer roles with no prior experience or degree required. The program covers the full UX design process, empathizing with the users, define pain points, ideating, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing. Learners use Figma and build a professional portfolio with 3 end-to-end projects. The latest version also included AI training from Google experts. By the end of the course, you will earn a course completion certification that you can showcase in your LinkedIn. My second one is Nelson Norman Group. This is one of the best platforms for learning UX for me. Their articles, blogs, and YouTube channel explain concepts clearly and cover the latest trends. You can also find out there are a couple of AI related articles, blogs, and videos as well. I always refer to their articles and blogs while I start working on any project. And the final one is user interviews. This website focuses on user research. It teaches you step-by-step methods and you can apply directly to your projects. This is very best resource if you are choosing your strong path as a researcher. Good resource, right? You can find these all resources. Links are provided in the description. Learn UX design tools with AI features. Many AI tools are available for design projects, helping us work faster and more efficiently. However, as a designer, I rely on just 2 tools for now, Miro for research and Figma for design. For beginners, mastering these 2 tools is enough to start practicing, I believe. Once you are comfortable with them, you can easily adopt others. Most tools follow a similar format and structure with minor variations. So first I'll discuss about Miro. Miro is a great for research activities like brainstorming, creating flowcharts, user personas, and journey map. It has a AI features that helps you throughout the research processes. Plus, it offers a pre-built templates, so you don't need to have to create everything from scratch. It also has excellent for team collaboration when you are working with the teammates. Next, my favorite design tool, which is Figma. Figma has been essential to my design career from the beginning. It has many plugins and AI features that make designing faster and easier. I am making prototypes, UI mockups, wireframes, and design systems to work on my project. If you are using any great tools, please share them in the comments so we all can learn together. Next, get comfortable with tools that will speed up your work. These are the tools I use daily and they are free to start with. Also, learn the tools that how you can integrate AI in your workflows as well as learn the skills on prompt engineering to task framing, examples, stepwise instructions that saves your time and focus on the task that you can actually invest in. We learn fundamentals and tools. Now it's time to practice. Practice makes perfect, right? Step 3, practice every day. Now that you know the concepts and tools, it's time to practice. Set a design challenge for yourself like 30 days or maybe 60 days or maybe a 90 days of planning. This helps you build consistency and master your skills over time. Work on real problems. Think about a challenge you face in everyday life, what frustrates you, what could be easier. Write down your ideas and design solutions for them. Also, think about the problem or the solution maybe when you are using AI related tools or AI supported trends and AI related applications that now you are interacting with. So, and try to understand how you can solve those problems or try to understand if there is any problem and how you can figure out that problems. Redesign the existing products. When an app or website frustrates you, treat it as a design challenge. Think about how you could improve it. Read the articles from UX practitioners every day. This keeps you updated and sharpens your thinking. Step 4, build the network. Start building your professional network from day one. Don't wait until you are ready. Write about what you are learning, share your progress, challenges, and insights through blogs, posts, or LinkedIn articles. Using AI tools can help you write faster. Attend UX meetups and conferences. These events let you learn from experienced designers and make valuable connections. Whether it's online or in person, always ask questions and discuss your doubts with your professionals. Good community to join the which is Adapt list. It helps you connect with experienced designers and book one-on-one mentorship sessions for feedback, portfolio review, career guidance, and many more. The website link is in the description. Step 5. Get real-world experience. Real-world project experience make you stand out. Contribute to open source projects, whether your contribution is small or big, it's give you real-world experience. Build something for your family or friends. Design a solution for someone you know. This gives you a real users to work on or like with and a genuine problem to solve. Redesigning existing product as a concept projects. Build your portfolio and resume. Your portfolio is more than your job application. Treat your portfolio as your personal brand. Be intentional about what you include, such as showcase projects that align with the work you wanted to do. For example, if you are interested in fintech, include fintech related projects. Tell a compelling story. Use AI tools to help you write clear case studies. Highlight the important decisions you made and why. And make sure that write what impact that you can make with designing those products. Align your resume with your portfolio. The skills you mentioned should match with your showcase in your work. Use AI to write better case studies and resumes. Also, show impact, not just screens or the mockups. If you would like me to create a video on building portfolios and resumes, let me know in the comments. Step 7. Go beyond the design with AI and vibe coding. Here is something new that can set you apart. In the past, designers had to wait for developers to build their ideas. Now, with AI-powered coding tools, you can bring your designs to life yourself. This is called vibe coding, using AI to help you build working prototypes without deep coding knowledge. Try tools such as Lovable, Base 44, and if you know any tools, please comment in the comment section so everyone can learn from there. And add these projects to your portfolio. It shows employers you can do more than just a design. Step 8. Practice for interviews. Practice your interviews are about thinking, not the perfection. These are not right and wrong answers in the interview. Every interview you are showcasing your critical thinking skills, the impact that you are going to make on the products or the business. My daily goals, or like I set a daily goals, like 2 to 3 whiteboard design challenges, 2 to 3 UI audits, research companies that you wanted to work for, study their products and practice identifying improvements on their products. So this will help you lot of understanding and strong on interview while you are giving actual interviews. Don't forget soft skills and presenting your portfolio confidently. Finally, mock interview preparation on entire UX skills with timelines. So, that's my 8-step guidance to become UX designer in 2026. With AI tools and consistent practice, you can make this happen faster than even before. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Drop your questions in the comments. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.